Why you were crying? You were crying, it's because you were being punished? Huh? Why you were crying? So, why you broke our house again? You know that our house is
Fall in pieces.
full into a billions of pieces, and then you are going to broke it again? So, punishment na nimo ha. Oh. Awa lang. Oh, ta iyahang gipangguba kana. Oh, kana. Iyahang giguba. Hala, sige. Kabalo ka man. Oh, na imo chinilas. Sige. Hala. So, happy?